Oh, the irony. After eons of expert bots promising gold mountains only to deliver fool's pyrite on my light finance account, I dusted off the GOLD Dahab EA v1.2 MT4 for a lark, and now it's sitting pretty with plus 925% gains like it's auditioning for a Wall Street sequel. One Telegram wag even quipped, "It's the EA that turns traders into accidental tycoons." And after months of watching it outsmart volatility without breaking a sweat, I'm inclined to agree. Sharing my wry review of this cheeky profit pilferer today. The zip folder for the GOLD Dahab EA v1.2 MT4 unpacks with the grace of a well-oiled scam. The good kind, mind you. Right-click, extract here, and out tumble the AX4 file, set file, and a manual that's mercifully brief. I shuttled the EX4 to MT4's experts layer, refreshed, pinned the GOLD Dahab EA v1.2 MT4 to XAUUSD 1 slapped on the set file, and voila! It was scheming trades in under a minute. No DLL diva demands or install indigestion. Feast your eyes on MyFXBook, where this jester of an EA has staged a plus 925.50% absolute gain farce on my light finance setup since February 2024, ballooning $7,903 deposits, minus $388 withdrawn for emergencies like coffee, into $8,251.19 balance with $8,736 profit. Daily 0.35% chuckles, monthly 11.19% guffaws, and that equity curve? A satirical upward scribble mocking manual traders' flatlines. Profitability at 85%, so 278 of 328 trades winners, 193 longs, 85 shorts. Wait, the math's as reliable as a politician's promise. Average win 6,260 pips, $62.55. Losses nibbled to negative 3,661 pips. Negative $36.67 by the GOLD Dahab EA version 1.2. MT4's sly fix stops, and trailing that snip reversals like a bad haircut. Profit factor 4.84. For every dollar lost, it refunds nearly 5 in mock apology. Expectancy 3,675 pips, $36.71 per trade. Sharp 0.44 for efficient. Read smug returns, Zest score 99.99% defying random walk roulette. Drawdown 24.32% max relative, absolute 0.35% risk of ruin. 0.1% breeze September 2025, chop without a whimper. Net pips 374,000, 791 over those 328 romps. Commissions 0 on my broker, holds averaging 13 days for H1 hijinks. This year's bar, up 137%. Forecast a humble $40,000 windfall. After years chasing phantom pips manually, the GOLD Dahab EA v1.2 MT4 is like a sarcastic sidekick hedging the absurd, turning market madness into mirthful money. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part with a wink. The GOLD Dahab EA v1.2 MT4 on 3M, plus ticks from August 2025, spat $100 net on $10,000 start, 70.68% win rate, drawdown 15.38% absolute, profit factor healthy. A tidy rehearsal matching live's low-key lunacy. In sum, the GOLD Dahab EA v1.2 MT4's my rye, wallet whisperer after the long haul. Satirical in its simplicity, heroic in hauls. Snag this gem from our website. Description's your map to instant download. Swing by our Telegram group for the inside jokes and tweaks too. Link below. Trade with a smirk.